Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming Qgis is installed and that you have an API key if you plan to use Google Maps tiles legally. Open Qgis and enable the browser panel. This gives quick access to XYZ connections. Next, open the Data Source Manager, choose XYZ tiles, and prepare to add a new connection. Once done, you will enter the tile URL template and a clear name. This first step sets up the pipeline so tiles load reliably and respect rate limits. Now you add the actual Google Maps tiles using XYZ. Click New Connection, paste the correct URL template, and name it so you recognize it later. Make sure to set min and max zoom and confirm the tile size. Mismatch settings cause blurry or missing tiles. Choose the appropriate CRS, usually EPSC 3857, then click Connect. Once connected, add the layer to your map canvas to verify tiles render, and adjust ordering so your data displays on top. Finish by configuring layer properties. Lock zoom levels to prevent unexpected requests, set transparency if overlaying vector data, and enable caching to speed repeat views. Export your project or create a basemap group to preserve settings. If tiles fail to appear, first check the URL template and API key restrictions, then confirm your project CRS matches EPSC 3857 and ensure no firewall blocks tile requests. If you still have issues, restart Qgis and retest the XYZ connection to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.